Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to United Airlines Flight 1219 to ensure everyone's health and safety. We are encouraging all of our customers to scan their own boarding passes. When you approach the boarding area,
on behalf of the Air and the entire crew, I'm happy to welcome you aboard our 240 minutes, 2 hours and 40 minutes flying to Fort Lauderdale. Thanks so much, class members, for loyalty, and all customers purchasing to fly with us today. Our entire team is here to make sure you have a great flight. All service our passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute to review the safety card on your seat, and please also pay attention to the flying safety video if you're a frequent flyer as you learn our flight system. Thank you.
Regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with all posted flight signs. Please review the safety card located at your seat.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You will also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. 2 are located in ceiling compartments in the forward cabin, and 2 are in ceiling compartments aft of the overwing exit. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames of the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be lined.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you are unable or uncomfortable performing exit row functions and assisting in an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors of this aircraft.
If necessary, oxygen masks will drop from a compartment above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove, and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull it loose and tight. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling out sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes, or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Downboarding.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, or landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stow. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Be sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
You all tucked in? Okay. In the green room.
This is the way. Due to that moment, unlikely to oxygenate out face flight, remove any face coverings before.
Remember, if you might evacuate the aircraft,
taking your bags could block the aisles for the evacuation and prevent others from exiting safely. Please do not bring any bags. And if you're sitting next to the road, we encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. So thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about this flight once we are airborne. And flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated. Thank you.